Hi, I'm Lori with Team Gabriel Coldwell Banker, and I'm standing at 203 Oldefield Farms. This is a beautiful end-unit townhouse in Oldefield Farms, Enfield, Connecticut. You walk down this very private path lined with flowers onto a covered porch. You walk into a nice foyer with a double closet, and it's open to a living room, dining room, kitchen area. It has a nice open floor plan feel. So on those cold wintry nights, this home has a special feature. Check out this gas stove. All you have to do is turn it on and it's going to heat up this place in no time. You will be snugly warm on those cold winter nights, and you'll be saving energy as well. There's a half bath on the first floor. Your cabinets are oak, raised panel cabinets that go up to the ceiling. All of your appliances are included. There's eat-in kitchen space with sliders that lead to a nice large deck that overlooks a beautiful backyard. This is the best unit in the complex. It has the most privacy and has the best yard. And like I said, it's an end unit, so you have lots of property around you. So after a long day at work, when you want to come home and relax, this is the place you want to relax. Check out this deck. You can sip your wine and check out beautiful nature. They have wild turkey, deer, every kind of bird you can think of. It's super peaceful out here. It backs to woods, and it has a gorgeous, gorgeous yard that you don't have to maintain. There's low fees here, and they're going to take care of all your exterior, your snow removal. They're going to take care of your mowing. It's a really nice deck with Trex decking, open to the backyard, very private, great to have your breakfast or enjoy some wine. When you go upstairs, you have a large master suite with a balcony. It's very spacious. You can fit a king-size bed in both bedrooms. So if you're looking for privacy, this is an awesome place to hang out. I'm in the balcony in the master bedroom. Look at my views. It's so cool. It's a Trex deck balcony. But isn't this neat to have a slider with a balcony in your bedroom? It's so cool. It's right off the master bedroom. The master bedroom has double closets, a full bath. The second bedroom also has double closets. There's 6 panel doors throughout the entire home, and it has its own private bathroom. It's amazing. There are 2.5 baths in this home. Everything's in great condition and very well maintained. There's a full basement, and the basement has your laundry down there, which is also included. There's central air, gas heat, gas hot water. Very affordable, this unit, and it's ready for you to move into. You don't want to miss this unit, so give me a call at 860-618-6233 or check us out at teamgabriel.net. We look forward to hearing from you.